Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create holiday icon design in Figma using Ellipse, Line and Shape Builder, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw background circle 1000 by 1000 dimensions using Ellipse. Apply color and right-click lock selection. On top of it, draw circle 800 by 800 dimensions using Ellipse. Use stroke remove fill. Divide 800 by 800 circle into 4 equal parts vertically, using line, as shown. Select all and go to Shape Builder, press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object Create Shape, to deselect press Alt plus click. Select Object. Click on Fill Remove Stroke. Select each shape and apply color from the swatches. Finally, draw stick using rectangle. Use top left corner radius equals 50 and bottom left corner radius equals 50. Select object and rotate 45 degrees, as shown. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.